So there's the third 70HX. We got it repasted. It's running cooler than the rest. That Corsair thermal paste is really proving its worth. So we just got it in the front. We got it staggered. It's not mounted to the frame because I got splitters and some stuff. I'm only running like 130 watts on this. Running low on 8 pins in that. Got the 100 210 in there. This thing, I'll show you temps on it in the hold test. You can tell it's not burning up because otherwise I wouldn't be able to do this. I mean, it's getting hot. I wouldn't be able to hold it there that long if it was hotter than it is when it's like on a warmer day. Getting a little warm there. And then still 1660, and then the other 270HX is back there. The one on the top is the third one, and it's got the best temps you can see there. So you need a little bit better focus. And then the bottom is 100 210. There's the temps right there. It's a cooler day out. Got the window cracked. I just got two blowers jerry-rigged. You can see them right there. It's got like a little bit of putty to hold that fan in right there. Got the other blower right there blowing in the front. And a blower blowing in the back. Just a cheapie from AliExpress. It does the job. Open air. I mean, the proof's right there. We're showing you the temps. And just under 140 kilohash. It bounces around. You know how it is with the wattages on this. And my monitor went to sleep.